students, in this session we are going to start with first chapter, Model Citizen. The 6 C's of education for student and society are: first is character education, second one is communication, next is collaboration, next creativity, next critical thinking, and last one is of citizenship. One by one I am going to explain all these things to you. First is that of a character education. Character education means you have to take a stand. If you have to achieve all the other qualities in order to live in a society, you need a nice change, because if you don't have nice character, it means people are not going to like to you. Communication means you have to share, you have to communicate your ideas. Collaboration means you people have to work like a team. Creativity means we have to think out of the box, we have to create new paths, we have to solve the problems in innovative solutions. Next is critical thinking, means on each and every problem we have to think about the positive and the negative effects. Both the sides we have to think, so that the work that we are doing, that should be worth. Last one is of citizenship. Once we have achieved all these qualities, it means we are not thinking about ourselves, we are thinking about the other people, thinking about the environment also in the positive way, so that it will leave a good impact on the school, local and the global community. Now suppose we are having one aim, we are having one project, that is of adult education. How can we achieve this aim of adult education? By following these 6 C's we can achieve the aim of adult education. Suppose first one is that of character building. Character building means we should have some ethics, we should have some moral values. If we are nice, it means people are going to talk to us. And if we are not nice, if we don't have the moral values, it means people, they will not like to talk to you. And if people, they don't like to talk to you, it means they are not going to communicate with you, means you will not be able to share your ideas. It means you are not able to collaborate. Collaborate means you will not be able to work in a team. And if you are unable to collaborate, it means you are not going to be creative, you are not thinking out of box, you are not critical. It means you have lost your ability to solve the problems, means you are not going to become a good citizen. And hence, in order to live in a society and in order to become a good citizen, we have to achieve all these qualities. These are the qualities required to live within a society, and these are the activities which you need to do to achieve these qualities. Next. Students, now we are going to start with chapter 2, Tall Men of India. First we are going to discuss about which man is called as Forest Man of India. Means he created woodland in a river island. Jadhav was just a teenager when he found more than 100 snakes curved and looped lifelessly on a deserted sandbar. Cause of death of the snakes was that there was not any tree cover nearby. As he was just a teenager, he could not do much on his own. But with the help of the villagers, he set out all alone a plant on the bare land. In April 1979, with just 50 seeds and 25 bamboo plants in his pocket. As we look back at that place, that teenager boy has now created a forest. He was a lone wolf who has now created 1360 acres of dense forest. Next, we are going to discuss about which man is called as Water Man of India. Rajendra Singh, also known as Water Man of India, created a technique which has prevented flood, restored soil and rivers, brought back wildlife. His technique does not cost much and is very simple. The Johar, and this technique is known as the Johar, and it is a large crescent shaped dam made of earth and rocks. This technique dates back to 1500 BC and helps to increase the level of water table. This technique has brought water to 1,000 villages which were drying out, and hence this person and his technique deserved the Nobel Prize for water. Next, we are going to discuss about Miracle Man. The district collector of Manipur's Armstrong fame got the community to help build People's Road. He began this project in 2012 with his family. They spent over rupees 4 lakh. They asked for help through social media and funds soon started pouring in. The first task that was completed by him, that he was able to connect 60-kilometer stretch from Tuam sub-divisional headquarters to the district headquarters. Next part, he was able to connect to the nearest highway running between Nagaland and Assam, and then to a railway station at Mohar, which is in Assam, which is a place in Assam. It involved cutting across hilly terrain, means he had to cut down the hills to make the road. Next, we are going to discuss about the Metro Man of India. He was executive engineer at Southern Railway. He was given the task to restore of the Pamban Bridge within 6 months, but he completed it within 46 days. The 760-kilometer Konkan Railway project was completed in 7 years because of adoption of super technology. The project of Delhi Metro was also assigned to him, and that's why he is known as Metro Man. He has also achieved award Knight of the Legion of Honor award 2005 by Government of France. Next, we are going to discuss about which man is called as Tree Man of India. Saklani, who truly heard the voice of trees, is known as Vrikshmanav or the Tree Man of India. He alone planted 50 lakh trees and was awarded Indira Priyadarshini Award. He believed that the trees talked back to him and he could understand their voice. He felt that one should plant a tree each for birth, marriage and death. Last, we are going to discuss about Mountain Man. Dashrath Manjhi is known as Mountain Man of India. He worked as a laborer in Gahlor village near Gaya. It is a place in Bihar. He carved a path of 110 meter long, depth is 7.7 meter deep and wide 9.1 meter wide through the Gahlor hills. He was able to break the hills just by using the hammer and the chisel. He started his work in 1962 and completed this work in 1980. After 22 years of work, Dashrath shortened the travel, means the distance was reduced between the Atari and Waziraganj blocks of Gaya town from 55 km to 15 km.